Good morning. Welcome to your language lesson for Wednesday, March the 22nd. And we are going to start with our vocabulary word, which is ample. 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 Definition: more than adequate. Sentence: we have ample supplies for everyone. Synonym: plenty. Antonym: deficient. So if you're looking with me, we have done a few words here. Look at those words. I'm going to remind you, I know it's backwards here. Allegiance, meager, immaculate, inconspicuous, and today is ample. Which one of those words is the opposite of ample, is an antonym? Allegiance, meager, immaculate, or inconspicuous? And the answer would be meager. Meager means not having enough, but ample means you have plenty. I hope you all have ample toilet paper at home during this time. So that's what ample means, that you have plenty, you have enough. Okay, today I want you to complete page 31 and 32. We're continuing to use interjections and continuing to make sure that we recognize not, as, and what? Adverb. That's right. Not is an adverb. And any of those words at the front, like wow, is going to be labeled with an I as an interjection. The sentences on page 31 are pretty straightforward, or seem to me like you shouldn't have any problems with those. So I'm not going to do any on that page with you, but I am going to do a few on page 32 with you, okay? This is number 2 on page 32. Wow, thousands of tourists have camped in Yosemite National Park since last year. This is cool since we've been talking about National Park Week. Who have camped in Yosemite National Park since last year? Be careful. Thousands of tourists is a prepositional phrase. So thousands, subject noun. What is being said about thousands? Thousands have camped, verb. Have, helping verb. Of, preposition. Of what? Tourist, object of the preposition. In, preposition. In what? Now this is all treated as one word. Yosemite National Park, object of the preposition. Since, preposition. Since what? Year, object of the preposition. Which year? Last, adjective. Wow, interjection. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. In Yosemite National Park, prepositional phrase. Since last year, prepositional phrase. Exclamation mark, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Now, you may be asking, why is this not compound? Why is it not compound? What does a compound need? A conjunction. It needs ands. And so don't call this compound object of the preposition. It's one word. Yosemite National Park is one thing, so it's one object of the preposition. Okay, this is number 3 on the same page. The original goldfield and the main diamond bed in Canada have not been found yet. What have not been found yet? Field and bed. Compound subject noun. Compound subject noun. What is being said about the field and the bed? The field and the bed have been found, verb. Been, helping verb. Have, helping verb. Not, adverb. Okay, now have been found when, yet, adverb. And, conjunction. What kind of bed? Diamond, adjective. What kind of bed? Main adjective. The article adjective. What kind of field? Gold adjective. What kind of field? Original adjective. The article adjective. In preposition. In what? Canada. Object of the preposition. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. In Canada, prepositional phrase, and that's it. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Now, there's a lot in front of this line, but it could all be adjectives. In Canada is talking about the diamond bed, right? So it's adjective. This subject is fine. It is in natural order. Now this is number 5. In the animal shelter on Mountain Springs Road, the canines and felines did not behave well. Who did not behave well? Canines and felines. Remember, don't look at all this and think, oh, shelter's the subject. No, because is there a verb having to do with the shelter? No, ask your question first. Who did not behave well? Canines, compound subject noun. Felines, compound subject noun. And conjunction, the article adjective. What is being said about canines and felines? Canines and felines did behave, verb, did, helping verb, not, adverb, did behave how? Well, adverb. In, preposition, in what? Shelter, object of the preposition. What kind of shelter? Animal, adjective. The, article adjective. On, preposition. On what? Road, object of the preposition. What road? Mountain Springs. I would probably just say this. Well, I would call all Mountain Springs Road the object of the preposition. Just like Yosemite National Park, because it's all one word. So this is all the OP. No compound because there's no conjunction, right? Okay. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. In the animal shelter, prepositional phrase. On Mountain Springs Road, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Do these have to do with canines and felines? They were in the animal shelter? Yes, they do. So these are adjective phrases. So we are good to go. Okay, hopefully you can get the rest of those on your own. Leave me any questions below if you have any questions about the sentences. Please let me know. I do read your comments and I want to know what you're having trouble on. Now, here's the comment I want to see. Ample, this goes back to our vocabulary word. If ample means I have more than adequate, I have more than enough, meager means I don't have enough. Choose one of these adjectives to give me a good sentence. Something that you either have ample amounts of. A lot of times this word is used with amounts. I have ample amounts. Or you can say ample supplies. Both of these are adjectives. So they need to describe a what? A noun. I have ample toilet paper. I have meager supplies. Okay? I have meager food supplies. The soldiers in World War I had meager food rations. Okay? Whatever you want to say, give me a really, really good sentence.